Well, we can see what happens now.
Yeah, you can only see what happens now. Okay, so what's a way that you guys could figure out what happened while you were gone? What could you do? What could you do, Emily?
You could figure out things like if there's something missing that was just there, you could say what's over that.
Yeah, you could look at clues. So since you're always in our room, you kind of know what it's like in here. And so you can look around at clues. But would that give you all the details that you need? Why not, Emily?
Because what if a person like switched something around and you didn't know?
Okay, yeah, you might not know. What else could you do to figure out what happened while you were gone? Mariah?
Ask somebody.
Ask somebody. Who would you ask? Would you ask Miss DeMont?
Ask somebody that was in here.
Ask somebody that was in here. Why would they know?
Because they probably saw what happened. Because you told them not to say anything.
Oh, okay, they probably saw what happened. Maybe I told them not to say anything. Maybe I didn't. All right, so what you guys are going to do, if you are just coming into our room and you are out, I'm going to give you a piece of paper, okay? You need to write down the answers. You're going to get to interview somebody who was in here. You need to write down the answers to these questions. So you're going to ask the people who were in here, what did you see happen? Who came in the room? And what did that person do? All right, so if you were not in here, go ahead and take a piece of paper. Oh, sorry. Hold on. Alright, can I have your attention, please? Alright, if you were in the room, go ahead and stand back in the back. And you can take your paper with you. And everybody who was not in the room is still seated. Alright, so I'm going to match you up and you're going to tell the people who were not in here about what happened. You're going to answer their interview questions. Alright, so Jemiah, you're with Mariah. Stephanie, you're with Emily. Chris, you're with Natalia. Hannah, you're with Brandon. Cheyenne, you're with Caleb. Nevaeh, you're with Samaya. And then, Nevaeh, you're with Samaya. And then you two are both with Gavin, okay? Oh, no, Mikael doesn't have anybody. Alright, so Xavier, you're with Mikael, and Anthony, you're with Gavin. Alright, so go ahead and interview them. You need to write down their responses. You got 3 minutes.
What do you think? Do I have to tell them?
Well, I was waiting for Calvin to come in.
Okay, you're going to answer his interview questions.
Okay.
Miss
Alright, so what are you
doing?
you gotta ask her questions.
She did.
What's your
Hands did.
Miss Smith, not Miss Smith. That person came in the room. And she took our marker. Maybe it's
Alright, can I have your attention, please? I don't think I was very clear, so let me restate it, okay? Alright, so if you were out of the room, if you were in Miss DeMont's room, you're going to ask the person that you were paired with, you're going to ask them each question. Then you're going to write down on your paper what the person says. So it's like I'm interviewing you. So if I was out of the room and Hannah was in the room, I would say, Hannah, what did you see happen? She would tell me what happened, and then I would write down what she says. Okay? Thumbs up? Good? Any questions? Alright, go ahead. Alright, so then you'll listen to Cheyenne.
She took our marker and our poster. And that's where I'll pick her.
I wonder if she's going to bring her out.
So what did she say when I, oh, that was her response? Ms. Smith Broughton, she was asking. So who came in? What did she do? Alright, so what are you planning for your weekend?
What did Jemima said that she saw someone.
Alright, about 1 more minute. So what did we get over here? One more time.
At least he did
Alright, finish up in 30 seconds. Alright, transition back to your seats quietly in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Alright, so whenever you came back in the room, we got to interview some people. Alright, and you got to say what you, or got to write down what other people saw. Okay?